Here in the WIX editor, you want to go to Add Elements at the left side of your screen. Just click on it. And then after that, you want to go to Social. Right here on Social, you want to click on it. And then on the social bar, you can just choose any of these social media icons to be added to your website. So for example, I'm going to choose on this one. Just click on it on one time or drag it all the way to your website. And then after that, you want to click on the social bar and set it anywhere that you like. But I'm going to make it at the header so it can be seen to any page of my website. And then after that, you can go to layout to set the layout of your header. You can change the icon size, the spacing, and the orientation. Either you want it to be horizontal or vertical. And you can also change the direction of social media icon, either to left right or right to left. And after that, you can go to animations and effect and then choose on any of them. But I do recommend not to add an animation to your element, except it really need the animations, because too much animation on element can make your website a bit laggy when someone visit it. And then after that, you can just click on set social links. And right here, you can add more icons, add more social media, or remove any social media. So for example, I'm going to remove on LinkedIn. Just click on LinkedIn and then hit on remove image. And there you go. And if you want to replace the icon, so you feel unsatisfied with the logo and you want to change the logo of it. For example, if you want to change the logo of Instagram, just click on replace icon. And then here Wix will provide you a media from them. So you can choose it here. And you can also choose your own media by clicking on upload media to choose any logo from your own computer. And after that, just click on choose image and then you are good to go. And for example, on YouTube, if I want to link it to my own YouTube channel, you want to go to your YouTube channel and then copy the link of your YouTube profile. And then you want to go back to Wix. And then here on What Social page, just click on this link icon. And then on this What's the web address URL, you want to paste it. And click on Done. And then click on Done again. So if we click on Preview to see if it's worked or not, here on my home page of the preview, if I click on YouTube, as you can see, it will go straight to my YouTube profile channel. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add social media icons and link it to your social media account on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.